Let's talk about subject-verb agreement with the verb be. I'm going to show you the different forms of be and which forms go with each subject. If we're in the present tense, we have three forms of the verb be. With I, we use I am. I am. For example, I am tall. With you, we use are. You are. For example, you are happy. With he, she, and it, we use is. For example, he is a baseball player. With we and they, we also use are. For example, we are hungry, or they are in the living room. So those are the three forms of the verb be for the present. In the past, we have two forms of the verb be. With you, we use were. This is if it's you, like you singular, you were at my house last night, or you plural, like all of you. All of you were at my house last night. So singular or plural you, we use were. You were. We also use were when our subject is we or they. So we use were with you, we, and they subjects. If our subject is I, he, she, or it, then we're going to use was. That's the form of the verb be in the past for the subject I, he, she, or it.